Allie. Allie, here. Want this? Huh? Want that? Hey, get down.
It's nasty out there. I always wanted to buy my there was a shop going out of business. So I bought all the clothes with the rags. It was a gorgeous four-bedroom brick house. My mom was a fabulous housekeeper. Things were always in their place. Things kept neat and clean. She was just a fabulous person. My dad actually did really paperwork. He tended to hold on to things that really were really valued. His brother Peter also had a tendency when he passed away, there was like 25 people. When my mother was alive,
Whoa.
we had some really great times
Whoa. Hey, you little turd. Give me that. That's a good girl. That's Harvey and it's Kong. Looks a little tired. And there's Vernon. Oh, look at that little guy.
She passed away January 8th of 2000.
It's a good boy. Yeah.
She left me this gorgeous house. And she left me a
That.
sizable amount of money.
Doo-doo-doo.
Obviously, I bought so many things that they wouldn't even fit in the shop.
Oh.
And then it started to fill up the house. And I probably spent close to $200,000. This stuff came in last night.
You want more stuff?
I couldn't say no. With shopping, it's a momentary high. It's an actual high. I love to shop. It's an addiction.
We have the same beard, kinda.
And I'm a longtime friend of Mary's and her sister-in-law.
Joanne is the ex-wife of my oldest brother who passed away 4 years ago.
My name is Vince and Mary is my...
Vince and I have been living with Mary for approximately 6 months.
So soft.
And the condition of the house is just full of stuff.
Murf. Very energetic looking today. Bouncing off the walls, that guy.
Unless you're blind.
Alright, let's get Allie playing again.
It's awful. The kitchen, it's very
She doesn't like creepy fingers.
The little den is full of
Allie. 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 Look at that ferocious chicken lady. Get the chicken. Get the chicken. Get the chicken. Where's the chicken? Where's the chicken? Where's the chicken? Where's the chicken? Oh, Allie. Oh, look at that girl. She's so ferocious. Good girl. That's a good girl. Harvey.
The house in itself here.
Can you believe that's her little turd of a puppy?
Mary lives in a state of crisis, and it's created by this
Harvey,
this
what are you doing?
disorganization. Everything is a
What are you doing?
My spare patch that I have. I'm zipping through that. I only have several.
What you doing, buddy? Give me that. Give me that.
Ideally,
Oh,
I would
he's
like to
such a
increase
cute
the sales
boy.
of the store, get more business,
Yes, and you're a cute boy too. Yes, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, look at that face. Oh, Murf, Murf. Good boy. Look at that whip. Allie, you gonna say goodbye? You want to say goodbye? Oh, yeah. Oh, she's a good girl. She's a good girl. Are you tired? You wanna have a nap? Good girl. She's so happy.
That's how it all got started, and we got engaged very quickly after that.
Girl, yeah, it's a good girl. Bye bye.
My name is Angel.
Good girl.
And my wife. Sometimes she's very happy. Sometimes she's very sad. And sometimes when she gets very sad, she tries to buy stuff. Buy. And then sometimes you bring it home and she didn't even open it.
So soft.
My name is Lisa, and Marianne is my mother. It's hard to believe that the type of love and affection they had for each other, and you know it's kind of still there underneath.
Smarty.
But you can't
My
see it.
buddy.
I'm Lori. I'm Marianne's youngest daughter. Every argument that they get into, it's something that
There's-
doesn't start.
Piglet.
And that's it. I didn't bring that right here. That's
What?
right.
What?
Things that I used to hide them from my husband because
What'd you say?
I used to see what I got. I used to hide them.
What?
I didn't want to hear him screaming.
What are you talking about?
The kitchen, the dining room, living room, the master bedroom, all clogged up. So it's very sad.
There's the puppy's house.
There we are.
That's the family. Oh, look at that big fat turd.
I can see it.
Give me 5.